peeps, it's Suzette from Disrupt Tutoring, and as always, it's such a pleasure to join you. Today we are going to deal with an AP Maths question on absolute values, taken from the 2019 IEB Paper 1. So in this question, we need to consider two cases. X squared minus 12 equal to x, or x squared minus 12 equal to minus x. Then we need to write each of these equations in standard form in descending powers of x, and we get two quadratic equations in standard form. We factorize each quadratic into its linear factors, and we get two sets of linear factors, and from these linear factors we can get our values for x, that x is 4, or x is minus 3, or x is minus 4, or x is 3. Now we've got to be careful here with an absolute value question. We have to check that our absolute value is equal to a positive value of x. And therefore these negative values of x we have to remove. And so therefore when we check our solution, we can only use the positive value. So this check reveals that x is 4 or x is 3. And then usually what we would do is we would go and put a line through these equal signs to say they are invalid solutions. So most important here is we have to make sure that we are checking our solution. So before I go, I'd like to say a very special thank you to our epic sponsor for making this video possible. Read all about them in the description below. Be sure to visit our website for more of these epic tutorial videos. If you can't find the answer to your question, you can send us the question and we'll respond with a personalized video just for you. Until the next time, stay epic.